Alright. Gotta try to replace this battery. But in order to do that, we gotta jump start the car again. So, step number 1. Alright guys, what up? It's your boy Dope Chris right now. Headed out to my vehicle so I could try to jump start the car and get a new battery. I gotta try to jump start this car. The hood is up. Alright, we got the cables on. Now we need to jump start the car and get this new battery. And let's see if this goes. Okay, we are alive. We are up and running. Now I gotta get this new battery as fast as I can so I don't have to keep jump starting this car. And we lit. Alright guys, I got my car up and running. We had to jump start it one more time. Now I can finally get this battery. And yeah, we should be straight. This ain't advised, but following my mother to the spot where I could get this new battery. She up ahead. I'm out here trying to vlog, so you know, bugging out here. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. What are you doing? What are you doing? Probably saw that I was vlogging and said this is my chance. But yeah, man, you already know. About to pick up this new battery for the whip. Mom Duke's up ahead. We just pulled up to the spot where I could get my battery. Let me turn off the car and all that because I don't feel like getting stranded. Learn from my mistakes. Alright, so I turned the car off. It did not start back up. We are at the auto parts store. Hopefully they could just replace the battery. Because again, it's literally the battery. I know it's the battery because every time I try to start up the car, that pops up. So I already know it's the battery. I want them to replace it. Again, like I said, if they can't replace it, I'll do it myself. All right, let's see the process of this. Hopefully they can make this quick. Yeah, I'm popping in now. Hi. Alright.
I mean, we just jumped in to get it here, so.
We got somebody trying to work on the car right now.
I'm gonna try with 750. Summer just all 650.
So, oh, you did a 650 even with 750. What engine is this? A 600? No, the 4?
I have no idea.
Okay. How will we know that?
Not even gonna lie.
No, it's not with the engine or anything. It's like how much the battery holds.
Oh, I got you.
I could fold that back into the side if you want.
With a flap?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's saying charge required.
Can somebody do it? Say yes.
I can see what's going on. But they didn't even help them out. So I don't know. But I can ask them. Thank you.
Alright, so for sure it is the battery. That I already knew. So now we just gotta get it charged or get a new battery.
Is that yours?
Yes.
Okay.
And we got it here and it went off again because I shut off the car.
Chris. That's
What's
Chris.
up? Nice to meet you, Chris.
Oh, my hands are dirty.
Oh, it's all good.
Simple.
Are you doing a fast charge or a slow charge? I didn't look at the results.
I need to charge it. It didn't reach, he said, or something. Like, or
She just said it needed a charge or something like that, so I don't know. Alright, so now they're saying we may not be able to charge the car or the battery. So I might have to get a whole new battery, which doesn't matter. I just need to get a new battery or get this one charged. They gotta do something for me. Either way, I'm fine with whatever. I just want to get my car up and running again. So stay tuned for that. That's the process. Trying to make sure everything's straight so I could continue making these videos for you guys. You already know.
So I'm just trying to find the cranky amp so I can go off of there, but let's see.
That's what she was looking for, actually.
Cranky amps. Yeah, that's something you definitely want to take to the dealership for.
Yeah, definitely. We'll definitely swing by there. Make sure everything's straight.
Oh yeah, that is gone.
So the battery has to be replaced.
It's okay. A good battery is about 12 volts flat, and it's reading 7.8 volts. So that's pretty bad, and 0 amps. So how you made it over here, I don't even know, man.
I mean, like I said, we literally just jump started it and we
Yeah.
took off, came over here.
Yeah.
So I don't.
So the only
I'm not a
thing
big
that
car
I could
guy, I don't know
recommend
the-
you is the only thing that I could recommend to you is you could attempt to charge it if you wanted to. The only thing that's going to help is an overnight charge if you want to charge it, and that's if I can't even guarantee that's going to work. That's going to bring it back.
Okay, but my bottom line,
So-
then it needs a battery.
I would recommend you just get a new battery.
Okay, so then that's all we need to do. Don't nobody help or anything, you know, I got this.
Oh man,
Oh man.
I can't be a YouTuber and a mechanic at the same time.
Wait,
But
because this,
let me
why
do it
doesn't this do, is it this way? Then I could turn on the car once I put both, because my car was on before when I, ooh, no part.
Yeah, you might. Let me see something. Hold on. You might have actually put on the wrong thing. It's not supposed to stretch like that.
Because I put on the wrong side. I did.
Like, you don't want to put the positive cable to the negative on that side. It'll actually short circuit the
But
whole
you
car.
said red. I did red.
Over there. Over here.
Over here too. Look at the red right here, bro. Boom.
Yeah. Either, just because it's not
I'm
supposed to
not-
spark like that.
Listen, I'm not that.
I
If
understand.
I think that I don't know, I will not be. Trust me.
I understand.
I'm looking at him like, dude, I ain't crazy now. I don't want to get blown up.
I understand. I'm just telling you, I've electrocuted myself 100 times in the battery.
That was
Oh,
not gonna happen.
man.
I do my homework before I want to attempt this. If I think I know how to do it, like, nope.
that's
not
why I
gonna
stick to YouTube, bro. I don't know none of that. I'm just
Keys.
staying on my roam.
Where's the keys?
I'm just letting you know, because I've been doing car stuff for a long time.
I'm gonna go start mine up now. Yo, mom's a clown. Oh my god. Oh shit. It ain't start, bro.
I do my little.
Oh my god. I saw sparks flying too, and he started saying whatever he said, but hey man. need to get this freaking engine a detail.
I actually.
Could write my freaking channel name up in this piece. You already know. Hey, dope Chris. I can start it, right?
Right.
That's all I'm hoping.
Because I left lunch and you specifically
Done.
Done, right?
Done. So we're gonna have to go.
Right.
Which is why here, since we have a lot of females that work here, you know, we are trying to do what's best for them, since they are crazy people in the world.
Definitely.
There have been,
Especially out here in Florida.
like
Yeah.
I'm telling you, there was a guy that used to sit. You see where the pickup truck is? There's a guy in a black Lexus that used to sit there and stalk this girl that used to work here.
Wow.
Like, she quit after I joined. And I witnessed it myself.
Alright guys, I just want to let you know my situation. I gotta leave my car here. I gotta go to the dealership where I got this car, and I gotta ask them if I can tow the car there so they can get it serviced tomorrow. The reason why they're gonna have to service it tomorrow is because today their service department is closed, and you know, they need their technology, the memory saver for this car, because it's a foreign car, it's a European car. They need, you know, some technology that the Advanced Auto Parts store does not have. So yeah, that's just my luck right now. I gotta go to the dealership where I got the car, ask them if it's okay to tow the car there, and then tomorrow they'll service my car so I can have it up and running again. But again, when life hands me lemons, I make lemonade. You already know. It's your boy Dope Chris, and on to the next part of this vlog. Stay tuned. Oh, you parked right on the curb.
We bought. What did we buy?
Volkswagen Passat.
We bought a Passat 2016. The battery shot, and when we went to go replace it, they said that it has to be professionally
Installed.
installed because of the memory, needs a memory machine, blah blah blah.
I gotta save it. You like that?
Yeah, man.
And that's, of course, my mom's from New York. I'm from Patterson, New Jersey.
I'm from the Bronx. I've been here like 4 years.
Word.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man?
4 years. I came in 15.
I'm calling because, you know, we're at the Lexus dealership now where I got the car. Alright, we at the dealer.
That was.
Trying to get things solved.
No.
Could they do it here at the service department?
Thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, you're a YouTuber?
Yeah.
What's your name on YouTube? You
Uh,
got over
I
followers?
know that.
I got a little followers. I'm not, you know,
How many?
crazy. I only got like 40 something right now, but I'm
40 something.
yeah, 43. Like not 40,000 or anything.
And what do you do, gaming?
Well,
Nah, I just do like
I don't wanna
vlogs,
have
you
a
know,
situation
maybe I'll go
there
to
because
Top
we're gonna
Golf or
end up
something with the
bringing it
family,
here
do something
You
like
put
that.
it there and
Yeah, and I'll put it on YouTube for
that's how they start.
yeah, exactly.
Little by
And
little.
I'm doing it, you know, I started off for memories, you know, just because so I can have my mom in videos, God
Yeah.
forbid
And I
anything were to
appreciate
happen, you know. Same thing with my dad. My
So
dad,
you have it there. and
yeah, I'll be able to
that's
always
good. That's
look
how you
back.
start.
Yeah, and then obviously, you know,
It's
if
a
the
nice camera, man.
yeah, it's a Sony 6400.
Then maybe later you find like another topic
Yeah, of course,
and you're different, yeah.
and keep expanding to it and adding. I like
Or
to
you
do.
hope it becomes your profession. You start making money from that. 'Cause
yeah.
I've seen the people making money from it.
The big boys, they out there,
Yeah.
they got millions and all
No.
that. That's where, you know, we'll try to get to, but little by little,
Yeah.
you gotta start somewhere.
He's just gonna drive.
It's gonna be done.
Yeah, so
you don't have to pay for that towing.
we'll tow it here, and then we'll see tomorrow when service opens if they can
Yeah.
just
So
go
let
ahead and
me ask you
replace
another
it.
Perfect.
Okay, so
So-
again, my name is George. So
Thank
appreciate
you,
it, George.
George.
Thanks for the help.
There's
Give
not
me a
much
call.
help because I mean,
Oh my God, este me tenía algo
son las
cabrón.
8. It says. So if we would have come earlier, I would have called them. Hey, get something.
I
you know.
know. This just
Yeah,
happened.
Okay.
appreciate it though.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you so much, man.
Good one.
You too.
What was your name again?
Oliver.
Oliver. I'll never forget that name.
guys.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
right.
Have a good night.
Have a good one. All right, one step closer to getting my car back up and running. Just left the dealer. Got some information. Now, next time it won't be such a mission. You got my keys?
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah, I figured.
You got mine?
No, I got mine.
Oh wait, I'm clicking mine. I'm like, don't turn it on.
Alright, well, we're all over the place today. We need to get it together. Alright, guys. On to the next part of this vlog. Stay tuned. Can I get a business card so I could get the address to the spot? Because I need to get a tow truck for tomorrow. Or if anything, you could just write the address of this spot if you know it.
What did you do?
What, me?
Yeah.
I do YouTube videos.
Really?
Yeah.
So what are you doing now? Like a vlog?
Yeah, you know, I got this car problem, so been through a whole process with this car today. Still here.
This is it.
Alright. But thank you so much. I appreciate the help. Have a good night.
You too.
Alright, guys. We're back at the auto parts store. Just got their Addy. Now I'm about to lock up my car. And to the next step. Alright. I'm back at my whip. As you can see, I gotta lock the doors. I had to come back, get the Addy, lock my doors, so you already know. I don't even know how I'm supposed to do this. This don't make no sense. Bruh. I don't know how to freaking lock this. Oh shit. Alright, well, I got the little cap off, but now it went under my car. God damn. It is not your boy Dope Chris's day today. I'm salt. I am salt. This the little cap though. Now I'm gonna lock the door real quick. Hey, it's locked, it's locked, it's locked. Let's go. Damn. Finally though. Finally. Car's locked. We got the Addy. The dealer's gonna replace the battery. Tomorrow I gotta get up, come down here, finesse a tow truck, go back to the dealership, and they'll set up my car. What a process, man. What a process. But hey, man, you already know. The grind don't stop. I'm out here 24/7. Every day. Now, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry I took the keys. I ain't mean for the battery to die. I apologize. Alright, man, I'm gonna wrap this up. It's your boy Dope Chris. And probably on to tomorrow. I'll get back with you. Plot twist. As you can see, one door locked. Bruh. I gotta go through that process again. I can't cool it. Alright, what up, you guys? It is the following morning. I'm with my whip right now, so I'm just waiting for the tow truck, and we about to head out to the dealership, and they gonna fix my car. My current situation, it's pouring outside. I've been waiting over an hour for this tow truck. I'm losing full. I can't cool it, bro. I can't cool it. I'm gonna let you go, Tito, cause he's here.
All right. Bye.
All right, bye.
Bye. Bye.
All right. Yo. All right. The tow truck just pulled up. Finally. Over an hour later. Finally pulling up. They're hooking up my car right now. Oh! Getting it hooked up. I got it. Thank you. Hey, we got it hooked up. We got the bay hooked up. It's lit. Alright guys, right now we following Bay. She getting towed right now. Alright, they bringing my car out now. I couldn't get it through there, so my man Joe did it for me. Shout out to you, Joe. Appreciate you. Alright guys, we got the whip. Got the car up and running finally. You know, it's been a whole process, But you know, we're back to the grind. We're up and running, so that's all that matters. If you guys did enjoy the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, it is your boy Dope Chris, and on to the next one. I'm out.